Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Shankar Dewan Official. Today, I'm going to show you how you can become a master at using ChatGPT for your daily life work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a YouTube creator like me, ChatGPT can make your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding ChatGPT. First things, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered assistant that can help you with a variety of tasks from writing essays to solving math problems, brainstorming ideas, and even planning your day. All you need to do is type your question or command, and boom, you've got your answer. Here's the interface of ChatGPT. You simply type in your query in this box, hit enter, and it responds instantly. Let's see how we can use it in real-life scenarios. Step 2. For students. If you're a student, ChatGPT can be your best friend. For example, let's say you're learning math and struggling with a problem. Type your question, like how do I calculate the mean of these numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, and see how ChatGPT provides step-by-step guidance. See, easy and clear. It's also great for subjects like English, where it can help you write essays or improve your grammar. Step 3. For professionals. Now, for professionals, ChatGPT can save hours of work. Let's say you're writing an email or need help drafting a project report. Just type, "Draft a professional email to my manager requesting a leave of absence," and let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting. With just a few edits, you're good to go. It can also help with organizing your schedule or brainstorming innovative ideas. Step 4. For content creators. Are you a content creator like me? Then you'll love ChatGPT for brainstorming topics, writing scripts, and even generating catchy titles. For example, let's ask ChatGPT, what are some viral topics for YouTube videos? Look at that, it's a goldmine of ideas. You can refine these topics to match your niche and start creating content right away. 5. General everyday tasks. ChatGPT isn't just for work. It's also great for managing your personal life. Need recipe ideas, travel recommendations, or tips to improve your fitness? Just ask. It'll give you simple, step-by-step instructions for almost anything. Step 6. Tips for mastering ChatGPT. Now, here are some pro tips to master ChatGPT. Be specific with your questions to get better answers. Use follow-up questions to refine the responses. Experiment with different prompts to see what works best. Save time by using it for repetitive tasks, like summarizing articles or generating ideas. So, there you have it. With a little practice, you can become a master at using ChatGPT for almost anything in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shankar Dewan Official for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.